again with another one with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make in the kitchen. Anyway, I want to simply say to you, I got some recipe and this recipe is amazing. The flavor, the texture and everything is awesome. I want you guys to tune in, watch the video, leave your comments in the description box because we got so much recipe for you guys. It's just like more than tongue. It's heaven in the mouth. Let's get to there. Anyway, remember to visit my website, chefricardo.co.uk, and also pop over to my website. Alright? Remember to pop over to the website, chefricardo.co.uk. And also remember to leave your comments in the description. Click in the notification bell. Leave your comments. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Big up on yourself, and my respect goes for you every time. Stay blessed. See peace and ideas. Anyway, this is going to be a very simple and delicious fried chicken. We're going to be making some Cajun fried chicken, guys. You know what I mean? Something different. You can make this also for Thanksgiving Day and also for Christmas. It's up to you. You have your own option to make it whatever you want to make it. But the best thing to do with this chicken is to marinate it and put it down for at least one nice good 12 hours. Alright? Then you cook it the next day. But we're going to do everything today because I want to show you how to make this an amazing fried chicken recipe. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and watch this lovely video from Chef Ricardo today. Stay tuned. Nice one. So right here we have at least roughly about 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and roughly about 3 cups of water. Alright, over here we have about 3 cups of plain flour. We're going to be using plain flour. Right over here we have some Thai chicken leg. We have some chicken leg we're going to season up. We got 2 eggs, we got all different kind of seasons. We got spring onion, white onion, garlic, and all these things. Got a frying pan what we're going to be using for the oil. We're going to fry it in. The only thing we're not going to do is marinate the chicken and put it down for the next day. We're going to be doing everything today with Chef Ricardo. So the beautiful thing is, the first thing is to get our chicken right here, and our garlic and white onion. We got some pepper and some frozen thyme, which I'm going to be using. I don't have any option. I have to use that. Mixed herb and all-purpose season. And this is the Cajun season, which I'm going to be using because it's Cajun fried chicken. Paprika, black pepper. All of these recipe we'll be using. We got this an amazing right here. The egg. The egg will be going inside of this an amazing egg water right here. So this one I'm going to put the egg into. I'm going to put the egg with the water on the milk. Alright, so what you do, crack it and put it straight inside of it like that. Alright guys, that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So we're going to give it a nice lovely mix because, you know what I mean, it's egg, isn't it? And we have to always make sure we do the right thing. Alright guys, so 2 eggs into that beautiful and an amazing milk with the water. So that's what we want to do. Alright, so once you do that, then what you can also do, alright, that's simple. Alright, so we have the eggs into the water with the milk. Alright, and what you can do is put a little bit of that lovely Cajun season inside of the water with the milk also. Alright, roughly about a tablespoon of it into the water. Let's see that. Let's give it a mix. Nice one. That is lovely. That's what we want to do right there. Okay. Right here, this is the chicken which we have ready. I wash it off into some lemon juice, or you can use vinegar. Sorry guys, what's going on, Chef Ricardo? Alright, now I have washed my chicken into some lemon juice, or you can use white vinegar. It's up to you, whatever you want to use. So a little bit of chili. Love chili. Alright, and also we're gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Nice one. And also we're going to put some paprika. Alright, we all know that paprika really nice, and then we have the Cajun season, which is the most important thing, which we're going to be using on the chicken. Alright, so that's it right there. Now we're going to add some more ingredients as it goes on. Alright guys, we're going to add the scallion, we're going to add some more no, we don't have to add all of those, to be honest. To be fair, you can just use the natural. I got some natural blending season, but it doesn't make up as yet, to be honest. Anyway, we're just gonna go through it, see how we're still. But as I said, you don't need to like stress yourself and say, oh, whoa, I need to get this done, I need to get that done. You know what I mean? Don't stress yourself. You're in this kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Alright? So what we're gonna do, let's put a tablespoon of mixed herb on the chicken like this, because that really nice and chicken to we're gonna put a tablespoon of all-purpose season, and that's it right there. That's for the chicken. All right, you know, when you get the plain flour, to be honest, when you get the plain flour, guys, when you get the plain flour, this is what you need to do. You need to add some, this is some of the Cajun season, which we're going to add to that beautiful plain flour, and also a little bit of we got some paprika we're gonna add to it. Nice one. And also we got some black pepper. Nice one. We got some mixed herb, same amount of things which we will use on the other one we've been using. We got some all-purpose season. We're gonna put a tablespoon. We don't want to make it too salty, you know, so you have to be careful. Then what you want to do, you want to use a fork. Use a fork in the flour, or you can use a whisk. But I'm just gonna tell you what's going on. All right, now we have the plain flour right here. As I say, I'm just mixing up the plain flour. Make sure you mix it up really good with all of those season. That's the coating for the chicken. All right, now on this we have the paprika, we have all-purpose season, we got chicken season, we got the Cajun season, we got black pepper, we got all different kind of stuff going on right now. All right, so what we want to do is, you know what I mean, don't get me wrong, you don't have to put on white wine because you're gonna be frying the chicken. All right, so don't stress yourself. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to cut up some white onion. All right. Now we're going to do some garlic. I'll be doing some garlic right there. All right. Now let's get in some garlic ready. Garlic is very, very good for put on a chicken. If you don't have garlic on a chicken, use my garlic presses on my website. So, yeah. One. To be honest, guys, the thing is that, you know what I mean, I'm just gonna put some Scotch bonnet pepper because this time I don't like it. I mean, yeah, man. Just gonna put a few pieces of Scotch bonnet pepper on it. You know what I mean? You can't fry chicken without this, you know. Let me tell you something, guys. Sometimes you can just do some little things like this. These are like your, you know what I mean, your scissors. Instead of you put the pepper on the cutting board and mess up the whole place. It's gonna be trouble in the kitchen with that one, honestly. So try and avoid that one, guys. You know, so that one is a very dangerous one. All right. Now, this is where the magic come in. And you know what I mean, you have to do this one at home, guys. Honestly, it's just like a recipe where I want to share with you last time. So what you want to do is just simple. Marinate up the chicken with all of that season we have. I mean, but the best thing to do is just marinate up a meat and put it down overnight and get it ready for the next day. But you don't have to stress yourself today, and you know what I mean. But this is just like another way of doing this amazing recipe at home. All right. So what you want to do is make sure you marinate up the meat good. So make sure, you know what I mean, what did I use my knife? Put some oil in the chicken thigh. You can do that. You know what I mean? Just like a Christmas treat and a Thanksgiving Day treat, you know. So what you want to do, you want to make sure flour it like this, coat it up, you know what I mean, really nice. And then dip it off into the water over there, into the milk water and the egg. Nice one. Thanksgiving Day recipe. Yeah, man. Look at that. So what you want to do, you just want to make sure you move it about, cause you know what I mean. Yeah. You can put more egg into the water if you want, but I mean, don't want to waste too much egg. Just move it about. As you can see, I'm not doing a lot of the chicken, you know. We're just doing a few chickens. So just gonna show you what you can do at home by the simple marinate up your meat and all them things there, you know. Getting ready for Thanksgiving Day. Cause a lot of people are gonna cook. No matter going on right now, people still will be cooking at home. So you wanna just make sure the liquid up go over the water, over the meat. You can put them into a strainer and also strain them off, but that's gonna just do it the real authentic Jamaican style. Alright, see, there's no need to put on all them things, you know what I mean? Just put this in the water, make it go on dissolve in the water. Nice one. So you can see that all that looking really amazing so far. So what we want to do is, what you want to do, guys, simple, is turn on my stove and I'm gonna get my oil hot. In the meantime, the chicken soaking in it. What's going on right there? Alright, I got a red onion which I want to put in the pot. Alright, and also I have some garlic I want to put in it. Get them kind of frying there. So what you want to do, get the chicken and dip into the flour. Alright, shake it off, dip into the oil. And that's the process that we're going to be doing all of the chicken with. Make sure your oil hot and turn on the heat a little bit. Make sure the flour a little bit come off, you know what I mean? Don't put too much in the pot here. Yeah man, that look nice. Perfect. Yeah, I hate that man, that's looking really, really good. So that look nice? Yeah. Nice one guys. Looking good. I mean, look at that. So I have them fried for about 15 to 20 minutes. Trust me, because I'm going to like eat raw meat. You know what I mean? Just want to make sure them fry right and proper way. Nice one. They're looking good. Looking really, really, really nice. And that's what I want to see. Just to make the chicken and fry and looking nice. That perfect color we're looking for. Yeah man. That's perfect look what you're looking for, you know? Perfect in our kitchen, you know what I mean? Getting ready for Thanksgiving Day. Alright guys, we have to do this, you know. We're gonna make a sweet potato Not today though. Coming soon. We want to make a sweet potato salad. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, man. That me at our pot. So that look nice. Beautiful one. Now this is finished. Just gonna step them from the oil. Come on. Look at that. Nice one. Can't complain. Alright, now let's look over here and this amazing recipe from Chef Ricardo. Nice one guys, look at that. An amazing recipe. Just finished, taken from the oven. Looking amazing. Fantastic style we are talking about. And this is exactly what can happen in the kitchen when you're at home cooking. Alright? I want to say thank you so much for watching, and just get ready for Thanksgiving Day guys. Just to show you what you can do for Thanksgiving Day. It is an amazing recipe. Cajun fried chicken from Chef Ricardo today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipes, step-by-step recipe, and you guys definitely will enjoy this one. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye.